Warning: quitting or cutting down on alcohol can be very dangerous. If you think you have a problem, please talk to your doctor.
Alcohol! Not cool! Oh yeah! Take control! Yeah! Sobriety! That's cool! Oh! Getting sober! Oh yeah! Getting sober! Getting sober! Oh yeah!
Oh yeah! Oh yeah! Is this intro really appropriate for a serious slang? Anyway, this slang is called getting sober.
I slept really badly, or just really lightly. It took me ages to fall asleep, and I just kept waking up all the time. To another day. Oh yeah, it's earlier again. About I don't know, like half an hour, I think. God damn, I look tired. I look like I'm 50. I should wake up soon.
Oh, cup of tea.
Just spilt my tea. Okay, so I want to be a bit more busy every day, so I'm going to go for an even longer run. I guess I'll take Teddy.
Okay, what I've been thinking about today is that I've noticed that I don't look forward at all to not being completely sober, being sober most of the time, well, being sober like most of the week, because I don't see it as being a good thing, because it doesn't sound like a lot of fun. But it's important to realise that how you feel about something, what your emotions tell you about reality, really does not line up with reality much at all. I know I'm going to be a lot happier, and a lot healthier, but I don't feel like I will be at the moment. So yeah, it's good to know that your emotions are not factual, they just kind of are fleeting. So that's a little thought for you there. Yeah, well, I was trying to say your emotions are not necessarily a good indicator of reality. I think I put that point across, but yeah.
Why are there sticks there? Okay, time for another sexy workout. Now I'm gonna have some food because I'm starving. Got some more spicy pasta. That's quite hot. What is happening to my hair? What, I look like a downtrodden middle-aged woman. I'm just going to do some more cleaning. Speaking of cleaning, I'm going to do some more cleaning. I'm finding more little tiny swords than I expected to find.
Have you ever seen anything more beautiful?
What is this from? Okay, that's enough for today. I did quite a bit actually. It's coming on, it's coming on. Still got a bit to go, but it's much better than it was. Okay, yeah, I'm going on another run. I have returned. Now I'm gonna have a bath. The reason I have so many baths is because as I go running so much, I want to look after my knees, so I have hot baths to look after my knees. I think it works. Must do something to relax them. Oh, a bit of banana.
Okay, successful bath. Now I'm going to meditate.
Night 6.
I think I'm gonna be going crazy.
Buon query ai family meal. Links to your
Okay, so it's the second day of
3
beers, and tomorrow I'm on to 2. Even though I slept bad, I actually felt quite good today. Yeah, ups and downs. It's been quite a cool day. I've done quite a lot. And now I'm going to get up early tomorrow, so I need to sleep. I'm going to bed a bit too late. Night night. Oh, I took ages getting to sleep in the end. tired. I feel really tired. But I'm gonna carry on. I really don't get why people argue about whether the milk should go in before or after the water. It's just like, how bored are you?
Let's get right into it.
I was feeling really miserable before, but that's just because I'm so tired, as you can probably see. So I'm gonna go for another run, and I've got a lot to do today, but I got up quite a bit earlier, so...
Let's get right into it.
Gonna start with a run. Lots of fun. I'm trying to think if I've got any other pearls of wisdom or just stuff I've been thinking about. So I got 2 beers this evening or tonight. So I don't know, I'm a bit. 3 beers has been okay, to be honest. It's not been as bad as I thought it would be. It's just really hard to sleep. I got 2 beers today. Yeah, it's the pressure of knowing that you've got to fill that. There's nobody around. It's the pressure of knowing you've got to fill the space which the alcohol was occupying. And it's kind of a mix of stress and excitement, thinking about what you're going to fill that space with. So it's ups and downs. But I know that it's going to lead to a better future. So, yeah. And I'm definitely noticing myself being more intact with my emotions, which is good. Good emotions and bad emotions. But at least I'm feeling them more, so that's good. Time for cleaning! Yay! Cleaning, yeah! Okay, now I've got a big old mat, which is filthy, which I'm going to clean. Let's do it. And that's that. Okay, now I'm gonna get all the videos off my phone. Okay, that took ages. I got the videos. Now I need to eat because I'm absolutely starving. I've got bacon, cheese, and onion. Sounds like it'll be nice. I'm gonna do more. I'm gonna tidy up the basement. I'm getting there slowly. Okay, here we go. Oh, well, I've finished for today. It's getting there. It's getting there. Not too much left to do now. How tired I am is really keep catching up with me. I'm gonna go for a run. I see this every day. Why is there a container? I'm back. I'm running a bath. I'm having a bath. I'm eating a strawberry. Yum. And another. And another.
And another one.
I finished my bath.
Makes it run.
Man, I've taken so many videos of myself.
Usually I think I'm going crazy.
Okay, so it's the first night on 2 beers, and I feel okay, to be honest. I feel more healthy, just good. I kind of feel fresh. Hopefully I sleep okay. I'll let you know in the morning. Good night.
End of part 3.